Welcome to Soul Affirmed. I will say an affirmation, and as you repeat these silently or out loud, your brain creates new neural pathways with intention. Take a breath and let's begin. I allow forgiveness to unfold at my pace. I release what is heavy to make room for what is loving. I choose peace over replaying the past. Forgiveness does not require access to me. Trust is rebuilt through repeated safe behavior. I allow repair when effort matches the apology. Forgiveness creates space for connection to breathe. Closure can come from within. We are allowed to learn from rupture. I let forgiveness deepen intimacy. Forgiveness opens the door. Consistency keeps it open. I can forgive without keeping score. Peace is replacing resentment in my body. Forgiveness follows ownership. I exhale resentment and invite peace. I can forgive and still honor my boundaries. If this resonated, give it a like, subscribe, and share the positivity. Soul Affirmed is here for you, anytime, every day.